Hi folks, we're looking at the kitchen. Isn't this nice with this exposed brick accent wall and the floor? Just let me show you the floor. There's hardwood flooring just about throughout this house at number 198 Kingsley Road, and it's the real stuff, folks. It's real honest to goodness wood, which is really quite nice. We're looking through the French doors into the family room. Now this room is a fairly recent addition. Isn't this nice? Look how deep that room is. I'm going to estimate it at probably about 25, maybe even 30 feet long, something in there. Nice windows for natural light and skylights. Just pan up so you can see those. Just really an extremely attractive place, and it does have a gas-fired wood stove, if you can use that expression. Keep this one in mind, folks. This is just a really, really super house, and it's right here in Burnt Hills with Burnt Hills Schools. Thanks. Bye.